You've probably heard you should maintain your heating and air unit, but many of us don't because out of sight, out of mind.
Well, Davey Sutton visits the home of Morris-Jenkins customers to show us the consequences of not maintaining your heating and air unit.
Off comes the grill, then it's on to the cleaning.
We haven't had it done much until we got the maintenance program.
Today, Dan Goslin is getting his heating and air conditioning system checked by Morris-Jenkins.
Seasonally, we have to come out and make sure that everything is clean so that it operates at its peak efficiency for the customer.
But that's not always what Dan did.
It was just run it till it stops.
Now, as a Priority Advantage customer, having his heating and air maintained is just one of the benefits.
They would go over the whole system, inspect all the components, and give me a complete, report of what they found that needed to be repaired.
It's a 23-step precision tune-up that can save you a lot of money in the long run.
Air conditioning and heating systems are mechanical, and their main purpose is to move air constantly. As that air is moved, it's going to pick up dust, dirt, pollen, allergens from the air, and those pollutants tend to get caked on to the system.
Morris-Jenkins starts with the outside condensing unit.
Now, these fins are meant to allow as much air as possible into this system and blow it out the top. So when we have it mashed down like this, it's not pulling nearly as much air as it's designed to pull.
They clean it from the inside out.
We want to push all of the dirt and debris out in this direction. We're also going to make sure all your fans are cleaned, everything is lubricated, everything has a proper refrigerant charge.
Your heating and air system also has a component that's inside of your home.
This is generally inside someone's attic or maybe down in their basement, and the two work hand in hand to heat and cool your home. Another piece that people don't see in their home is the actual blower wheel.
It's one of the hardest working pieces of the heating and air system.
When these get filled up with dirt and debris, they flatten out and they don't move nearly as much air. The key to keeping this clean is the filter.
Most people buy these at local hardware stores. It's recommended that you replace them monthly, but as you can imagine, most people don't.
This will work, but it's not going to work nearly as well as this 5-inch media filter. You can see how deep these ridges are. They're just going to collect a whole lot more dirt, debris, and allergens, and they're still going to allow this system to work at its peak efficiency.
And if you don't properly maintain your system, your evaporator coil, which is supposed to look like this, will look and smell like this.
Not only is this visually dirty, it's also a lot of organic material in there, and as that decays, it really creates a pretty bad smell. So a lot of people wonder why their house is musty or it doesn't smell quite as good. This is the reason why. You constantly have air blowing over this debris.
This makes the system inefficient. It will work harder, and that means higher energy bills. But for Priority Advantage customers, Morris-Jenkins will make a visit twice a year.
In the spring, we get them ready for air conditioning season, and then in the fall, we get them ready for heating season.
And that will reduce breakdowns as much as 95%.
Doing this type of maintenance easily increases the life of a heating system or an air conditioning system by at least 50%. And while the customer has it in their home, it's going to give them much lower energy bills every month.
And you'll be able to see that benefit pay off immediately. Davey Sutton, Charlotte Today.
Other benefits of Priority Advantage. Priority service means you jump to the front of the line whenever you call. That's a good one.
That's a great one. Plus, you get a lifetime guarantee on repairs.
And you'll never pay for the same repair twice for as long as you maintain your Priority Advantage maintenance agreement. For more information, visit morrisjenkins.com. Again, morrisjenkins.com.